What's up, guys? Good morning. My name is Nomadic Trader. We're trading NASDAQ futures, NASDAQ and S&P 500 futures. Remember, guys, to drop a like, drop a subscribe as well. Leave a comment if there's anything in particular you want to see. Markets have just opened. We had quite a bit of volume here at around 850. This is all overnight volume. Well, we just broke that. I was gonna say that may be an interesting spot to roll over, but we just broke it, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen today. This was actually a great entry here, but I just didn't want to get into the first minute of the day, and we're up here at +2 standard deviation, so always a risk. Buyers came in very nicely here. So we may just keep pushing all day. May see a little rotation. So we completely sold off from the all-time highs. Now we're trying to just get back up there. This is the NAS 5-minute chart. Not too much going on here in Delta. So just kind of a slow grind up. Really nice spike of buyers now here early morning. We're still in the first 2 minutes of the day, so nothing to get too stressed about. If we can come down maybe to like 820s, maybe 807, even 800, would be an interesting spot to buy into, but I'm not sure if we're going to get there. ES also sold off from its all-time highs. Kind of rolling over here. A little doji here at the top with a little 3 combo here. These 3 candles are a little weak, so we may pull back maybe to volume here at 62. Possibly here at 60. So who knows? We'll kind of just wait and see there on ES, but as far as NAS, we are continuing to push these short-term highs. So again, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. Maybe we can get back down here to 35. I don't know if we'll have the chance to, but as of right now, we're just waiting. We're just gonna wait, wait and see. We're gonna continue to push here. So hopefully there is an entry that presents itself pretty soon. But again, guys, what I'm looking for is just kind of a divergence between delta down here and price action. Price action is king, but delta kind of confirms or denies what price action is doing quite pretty much live, because these delta is just market orders. The difference between buyers and sellers from market orders, only market orders, right? So that delta just really shows the strength of a move. Nothing more than that. Here, there's another little entry right here. Delta came back down to this previous level. Price came back down to this previous small little low here. Delta did not, so buyers slightly maintained here, but again, we're at the +1.5 standard deviation, so that's just always a risk. I don't want to jump into anything too aggressive, but if we keep looking like this, kind of stepping up, may just look for a pullback and then hop in. We have about 1 second until, sorry, I had to yawn. 1 second. 5 minutes, new 5 minutes just opened. So let's see what happens here. ES is trying to catch a little bit. ES buyers still look really good, so we may just look for a pullback here, maybe to 50. That may be interesting area to hop into. But again, we'll see. We're kind of just waiting. being patient. Don't want to hop in anything too aggressive here, especially right at the high of day. That is not going to happen. And if we keep pushing high day, man, it is what it is, right? Nothing I can do there. ES is actually having a little pullback here. So that is interesting. We'll see if NAS kind of follows. But yeah, this is looking a little heavy on ES. Just a little kind of heavy. Sellers didn't really come into these big candles. Maybe sellers will step in now. If sellers do step in, we may see a little rotation down to 60 on ES. But as far as NAS, we are starting to get some sellers. Starting to get some sellers here. So this may be the pullback we were looking for. Let's see if we can pull back a little more. I don't really want to get up here. Sellers still coming a little strong. About to break this structure, but we may just bounce off of this structure here. Kind of waiting. No, we're not going to bounce. Okay, so we're going to keep waiting here. Again, if we can get back down here to 35, we have kind of some structure down here, so get back down to like 30s, that would be fantastic, but I don't know if we're going to get back there. I don't really want to hop in here. ES is looking a little heavy. NAS is looking a little heavy. Yeah, I don't really want to hop in here. I don't really want to. It's a little risky, especially with ES looking a little weak. Sellers coming in, no real buyers stepped into this little move here. About 2 minutes until this candle closes. Yeah, I didn't really want to get into that one. But now, if we go back down and sellers don't step in again, I may hop in. So that kind of just, let's see. ES still looks really heavy. Sellers kind of stepped into ES, so may see a continued move downwards. NAS trying to push a little down, trying to continue to sell off, but we'll see what happens here. May hop into one actually.
Order filled.
So I hopped in there because I did see buyers coming in right off of this structure on Delta. If we can just get back up here to all-time highs, that would be interesting. Maybe even a little higher here, but who knows? We'll see. Again, buyers kind of stepped in here, maintaining this structure. Kind of higher lows here, higher low. So kind of just waiting to see what happens here. Also don't want to be too aggressive and hold this for too long because, again, maybe selling off here. So just got to be kind of ready to exit at any point here. Actually, hop out there.
Order filled.
Again, don't really want to see it come back down and just tank against me like it is trying to right now. Buyers didn't really come in with as much strength as I expected them to. So that's pretty much why I got out there. Let's see if we can get back down here to like 50 and then see what happens with, oh, so we just bounced off of that. Buyers actually came in here.
Order filled.
It's the exact same entry we just had. So we had two of the exact same entries. Interesting. Okay, so actually a little higher than that first entry. So I got in there, a little FOMO trade, but buyers maintained. We are going to endure some pain here. So Yeah, so ES is actually continuing to dump here. New 5 minutes opened up. We are probably going to keep moving down here. Yeah, I thought buyers were stepping in again, so I got into another one there, but looks like we're just going to keep selling off here. Let's see what happens here at 30. Again, this is quite a high entry, so I was again a little FOMO trade to really just start the day off well, right? So just gonna keep waiting here. I don't really want to hop into a second one because it's just a bad trade. Hopefully, I can maybe get out of this break even. If we keep dumping down here, we're about 10 points away from our entry, so I'm definitely not hopping into a second one here. But if we continue to move downwards here, maybe interested in hopping into a second one, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, still looking a little weak. NAS trying to get bought up a little bit here. Let's look at ES. ES still looking weak. Sellers came in. Let's look at the 1 minute here. Yeah, 1 minute's not the best. Really strong candle here on the buy side, but 50 lot at 50. So let's see if they gets run through. Again, I'm not upset about not getting into a second one because I mean, anything could have happened there. But and I guess that was our entry we were looking for previously, and Delta maintained. So maybe that was the entry, but we'll see. We'll see here. Nice retracement on NAS here. Again, I don't want to hold on to this for too long. I don't like how it did not reach that previous high there, so that is not too good. Kind of stair stepping down now, so that's not the best. So we're gonna get just one little more pump. I don't know if we will. If we break this 30 level, most likely gonna go down here to 17s, maybe 18s here. And then we'll see. We'll see. We've got about 50 seconds until this candle closes on the 5 minute NAS chart. So we're kind of just continue to wait here. Again, we're just continuing to wait. Price is going. Yeah, that was actually my exit right there at 54. But it's all right. ES is looking very heavy. NAS is looking very heavy. I'm just looking heavier across the board here. Buyers came in really nice. I'm actually going to hop in the second one here. Let's see if we can get out both of these. Our second entry was at 40, so not the best entry, but definitely could be worse. Buyers came in really strongly there, so that's definitely why I got in. Looking a little weak here. I don't like how it's stair-stepping down, though. Yeah, oof, that's not looking too good. That's not looking too good at all, actually. See if I can hop out here. Yeah, I definitely don't like how it's stair-stepping down. That's not too comforting. So now we're down big here. If we go up and not even reach this previous price action high, this high in price, I may actually hop out of both of them because that is not. Actually, I'm gonna get stopped out of one of my trades here. Um, Interesting. Very interesting. Uh, 99 lot at 20 and a half. I think that got pulled actually. 50 lot at 18.75. 18 and 3/4. Kind of creating a lot of volume here. Don't really want to buy back in yet. Probably going to get stopped out of one of my trades here. Let's pull that down a little. Yes is just taking a massive dump right now. So is Nas. Bounce off of VWAP.
Order filled.
I'll hop in a third one here. See if we can get it back up here. Just the 50s. We can leave one running here, but I do want to. I'm stuck at a VWAP here. Hopefully, you can bounce off VWAP. Yes, broke right through VWAP. Didn't even care about VWAP here. Didn't even care. Just, oh, there's no VWAP on that chart. But on my other chart, yeah, it just broke straight through VWAP without even hesitating. So, actually in pretty deep on this trade. So, this may be maybe a tough trade here. About 10 seconds until this next 5-minute candle closes. If you're on NAS, hopefully you can get a nice close here. We got some buyers trying to step in here, trying to get bought up a little. Buyers stepping in. So you can just hold this until buyers really continue here. Very sweet VWAP. Delta maintaining here so far. Delta's still maintaining here. So again, that first entry is definitely a FOMO entry. Now we're just trying to save a little. ES is looking very, very heavy, which is not good for us. Yeah, just like that. So again, guys, this is why FOMO is such a killer. My first entry is absolutely atrocious. 57. I really need to stop doing that because it's just messing me up, man. It's just messing me up. It's just messing me up. Ugh, but let's see if we can get a bounce off of here right around VWAP. Buyers kind of maintained here, slightly. Again, just kind of waiting to see. I don't really want to get into a fourth one because then that's way too much on the table. But buyers maintained here. You can get a little spike of buyers. Yes is just taking a massive dump here. 2 minutes until this candle closes. So we get bought up a little. Delta maintained while price went down past this previous low here. So let's see if we can get a pullback. 62 lot at 20. We got kind of filled, kind of pulled the rest. Buyers kind of came in here. We can just get back up to 50 here. It's very possible. I mean, we're not too far away from it, but again, anything's possible. Okay, we're getting a little buy up here on NAS. Buyers kind of stepping in here, maintain that low. I just didn't really want to get into a fourth one. That's just really, really pushing it. That's just really, really pushing my leverage. It's too much risk. It's way too much risk to go forward 4 deep. That's just, yeah. I don't know if my emotional being able to handle that. My emotional capital. New 5-minute just opened. Buyer stepping in now. Buyer's trying to come in. ES is getting bought up a little bit. Yeah, 4 is too much. 4 is way too much. It's too much risk. Interesting. I don't like how Delta did not break this high here. Price reached that last little peak. Yeah, we're just looking really, really heavy across the board here. May have to take an L today. Yeah, most likely gonna have to take an L today. And that's alright. I mean, it's just part of trading. It is what it is. Delta maintained again. Little triple bottom here on Delta. Very interesting. About 2 minutes until this candle, 5-minute candle closes. Oh, we're actually almost at our... Yeah, I'm not getting in a fourth one. No way. No way. It's just too... Nah. No, I'm not getting in a fourth one. Fourth one, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Nope. That is not happening. That's just too much risk. That's just way too much risk. Just let this bounce up. And just leave, 10 points on the table? Yeah, that's alright. It is what it is. My entries are so bad today, so 57 block at 04 and a quarter. 102 block at what the heck? Yeah, 57 block at 04 and a quarter. I may get run through. Delta kind of broke that structure. Let's see if we can bounce off of it. Minute left until the candle closes. Two 35 blocks, and that 50 block is still at 04 and a quarter. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come down and fill those out and then move up. But we'll see. See if we can continue moving up here. Again, I didn't really want to get in a fourth one because that's just so much risk for me. That is just not, I would really not enjoy that. Let's see where our targets are. Let's see what potentially we can make just to keep ourselves motivated here. Okay, 8, that's actually not the best. That's not the best, but yeah. It's not terrible. It's not terrible, but it's just not the best. Not even at our first entry yet, but I just didn't want to get in the fourth one. Buyers coming in. See if buyers can really step in now. New 5-minute candle opened up. Buyers came in strongly here. Buyers came in strong. ES is trying to catch a bid. Trying to catch a little bid. Kind of looking like it's curling here, but who knows? NAS is still looking very heavy. Buyers are trying to step in, but they were not being able to, so yeah, we just look really heavy right now. Hopefully we get a nice buy up, but I'm not sure. Oh wow, ES is dumping. Now, yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out here. Yes, it's just wow, trying to fill these wicks actually on ES. Just 2 wicks and it's already filling them, so that's not the best. With sellers kind of stepping in here. Little buy up here on NAS. Delta kind of maintained, but yeah, we are in deep on this trade. We are in deep on this trade. So these are always stressful trades, but I mean it's the game, just part of the game. Again, we're looking very, very heavy. Oh man, that does not look good. Buyers did not come in at all here. Nervous laughter. Yeah, we're gonna keep moving down here. So about a minute 20 until 5-minute candle closes again. No buyers came in on this little push up, so that's really not fun to see. So see what happens. See what happens. Let me actually look at my stops here. Just to see how much we'd be down. 28. Ooh, actually that is not. They just have to get stopped out here. Yeah, I can't take more than $3,000 drawdown, so may have to get stopped out here. Yeah, that first entry was just awful, absolutely awful. So this is just the consequences of a FOMO entry. New 5-minute candle opened up. Again, we're kind of just pinned at volume here at 17. If we can break this volume at 17 and then break again volume at 23, should see a rotation up to 40. And if that happens, we should see a continued move up to around the 50s and back to our highs where our targets are. But we'll see if that happens. Again, we're just kind of stuck here at volume at 17. Not really being able to break it. Possibly may hop out of one. We'll see. Nope. We're going to get actually stopped out of 2 of our trades here. Got to be really careful here. Kind of finding support at 800, but really scary. You know, that's just part of trading. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna get probably stopped out here. We are, wow, right on the stop. Just bouncing right off of our stop here. Oh man, kind of consolidating here. Kind of do want to put one more stop here.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
So, guys, that's actually a big loss for me. We lost about $2,600 today. That is a tough day, but again, it is what it is. That's just part of trading, and we will live to trade another day. Thank you for watching, guys. Drop a like, drop a subscribe as well, drop a comment. Let me know what you think, what I did wrong. Let me know where you think I should have gotten in, because today we're just selling off the entire day, which is not fun. But yeah, guys, I knew that it was weak, and I decided to get in again. That was a big FOMO entry, so just not fun. But again, guys, my name is Nomadic Trader, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and possibly you're a little cynical, maybe enjoyed me watching me lose, but it is what it is. I hope to see you guys next time, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Nomadic Trader. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.